Founders, pabalik na naman tayo sa isang video to. So today gagawin natin ang first toy hunt natin sa SM Pampanga. So So yun, naglakad kami, nakahanap kami ng bus, tsaka may nakita ko supercar. Actually di yung supercar. Yeah. Yep. Here we are guys.
Naman.
Tapos
Napalang si Bini eh.
hanap tayo ng comics.
Gusto ko na si Bini eh.
Ayoko niyan.
Gusto ko na si Bini.
Wait. Gonna find something else. Funko Pop. Funko Pops.
Pop.
Funko Pops.
Wala din yung gusto ko.
Wait. Wala. There's Trafalgar Law. Is there any blood? This is
Wala.
first stop natin to guys. Unang stop. Meron.
Kyrie. Kyrie.
Wait, Transformers. Guys. Is it worth it?
It's Trafalgar Law.
Ay. Worth it ba to? Worth it to guys.
Ano bubukas?
Worth it. Transformers. No comics. Ito yung first stop natin. Ito yung nahanap natin. Transformers 1 cards. Hanap pa tayo iba. Ano natin kung meron. Ito Transformers. Yep guys. Gahanap din tayo ng ceramic knife. Damn, ganda ng art supplies dito. No. But what that? Comics. Walang comics. Walang hanap natin. Hey! Nice! Wait. Numbers. Deuteronomy. Samuel. Judges. Ruth. Nice. How much is this? I want to buy this. I think mahal eh. Meron ako Bible sa bahay. Pope Francis. R.I.P. Is that my name? And that's creepy. Fake skate color. I thought it was skateboard. Kala ko skateboarding. Oh, this. It should do. Tingnan ko lang guys kung how much to. Authentic transfer. Damn! Walang nakalagay. Wait, chess. Nice. I'm a chess player. Mine, you know. Rubik. Funko Pop maganda eh. Ano ba? One Piece. Ano po? Disney Princess. Hey, Winnie the Pooh. Nice.
Guys, yung bina dito.
2023 world records. Fortnite Bell has. Avengers. No, that's for kids. 100 facts about the minutes of ancient Rome. Bible course. Is there a ski? Let's jump. Survive the night. This is our first stop. Ito pa lang nahanap natin. Tsaka mga Funko Pops. Hindi ko na binili. Ito lang yung cut na yan. Damn. 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 Hey, Stitch. Mega Stitch. They said mega. Okay, Torque. Yan, ano niya. Kapalala niya yan. Hello. Got it. But no comics. Guys. Just join. No comics. Yep. Parang umikot na ako ilang beses dito eh. Wala pa rin comics. Guinness World Record Books 2025 YouTube version. Wala ba ako dito? Ayun. Book talk. This is space. And that's all. See the next store. We're on our way to Toy Kingdom para makahanap ng Black Keys. Let's find Black Keys. Ito na ako sa guard. Wala daw. Wala daw mga... Wala daw... Skate shop. Okay. Benches. Let's go, Hounders. Punta na tayo sa Toy Kingdom. Let's go, Hounders. Ito lang muna natin. Pwede mag-record dito. So guys, nakabili ako ng Blockers. Pero bawal kasi mag-record. So, okay. So, kakabalik lang natin sa SM Pampanga. Sasabihin ko sa iyo kung ano ang nangyari. Dalawa lang nabili natin, tsaka yung cards, yung dalawang cards. And, nagano kami. Di ako nakapag-video sa store kasi hindi nag-allow ng recording. So, hindi ko na lang ni-record. And, dalawa lang nabili yung blockies. Yung malaki parang ganito. Pero ibang version. Nakahanap ako sa Toy Kingdom ng mga bagong blockies. Kaso, yung mga stuff, tinanong ko sa staff, si Dabi daw nila. Ano daw yon, one set si sell. Pumunta kami department store. Nahanap kami, nahanap po kami YOLO part, tsaka S, SFH or SHF, Figure Arts, tsaka mga ZD Toys, Iron Man. Yep. So, bilhin ka. So, short on budget. Konti lang budget namin. So, konti lang bilhin. Dapat bibili ako ng YOLO part kaso walang sound wave. And, yeah. That's all. Bye, peace, hunters. In the next video, I'm gonna unbox the Blockies. Graduates. Yo, Jack, say bye. Bye, guys.